show you how to do weaving. How many of you done weaving before? Oh, one of you. Maybe you can help me with this.
Good.
Now, this is our weaving. This is called our loom. This is called our loom. This is called our shuttle. Oops, our shuttle, sorry. And the shuttle has a tail on it. With the tail, you want to keep it short so it's easier to work. You do not want it long. Now, your dividing stick, this is going to help you weave so you go back and forth and side to side. Now, when we hear the bell ring, we will hear a bell ring very loud. We're going to put our shuttle back in just like that, our dividing stick in like this when we hear the bell ring. Now, you're going to take, I'll have to start this. Okay. With your shuttle, you're going to go back and forth. You're going to, since your wool is on top right here, you're going to start on the bottom and go back and forth. Back and forth all the way across. You're going to go back and forth all the way across. And you're doing weaving. You're going to go back and forth all the way. Back and forth. Now, when you get to the end, you're going to turn your dividing stick so you have like a bridge. Just like that. You're going to make like a bridge. You're going to take your shuttle and send it through. It makes it quite easy when you get to that point. You're going to take your dividing stick up, push it up, and pull it down and out. You're going to turn it over, and you're going to do the opposite. So you're going to start going the opposite. Since my wool is on top, I'm going to start at the bottom and go back and forth. Back and forth all the way across. And then you're going to take it, turn it, and you have a bridge. You're going to take your shuttle, send it through, right along your dividing stick. Turn it, take it out, and push it down. Now, let me get out if you started. Nope, there's the bell. I knew it was going to happen. I knew it. Okay.
That's because we had to use the necessary.
That's okay. Necessary was very important. Okay. Let's go out here and line up. We can line up in here.